Hello, my name's Tony Carter, and I'm the singing locksmith. No keys, no keys, no keys, no keys. When you need a locksmith, I'm your man. It's 2 a.m., you've wandered home, you've kept my number in your phone, and at your door you realize no keys. You might have left them in your door, or dropped them on the line dance floor, but either way, you need to call me. No keys, no keys, no keys, no keys. When you need a locksmith, I'm your man. No keys, no keys, no keys, no keys. Non-destructive entry if I can. No keys. And you won't be parting with much money either.